Rule number 12. The word nonne introduces a question expecting a yes answer, while num introduces a question expecting a no answer. In the last video, we covered how the enclitic ne is attached to the first word of the sentence, or really the word of emphasis, to create a yes or no question. But you might notice that the enclitic ne recalls the particle ne, which is used for negative phrases. In fact, this similarity belies the original meaning of our enclitic ne. It had a negative force that over time turned into a generic question word without that negative force. Rule number 12 covers some variations on ne. When we add ne onto the word non, creating nonne, we get a question where the expected answer is yes. Nonne ego hiksto? We could translate this like, I'm standing here, right? Or surely I'm standing here. But you can see the literal meaning with, am I not standing here? Or nonne animadvertis? Do you not notice? And nonne oppressam rem publicam putas? Do you not think that the Republic has been destroyed? The obvious answer to all of these questions is yeah. The opposite of nonne is the particle num used when a no answer is expected. Num Romulus rex barbarorum fuit? Surely Romulus wasn't king of the barbarians, was he? Or num iratum tememus Joem? We shouldn't fear angry Jove, should we? And Cicero, num ea vera possumus judicare? Surely we cannot judge these things to be true, can we? This isn't to mean that the answer cannot be opposite of what is expected. The expectation solely comes from the one asking the question. One small note, num is used in indirect questions simply to introduce a yes or no question. So in the sentence, discipulus quae rebat num Romulus rex barbarorum fuisset, there's no expectation with the question. We simply translate this. The student was asking whether Romulus was king of the barbarians. This is rule number 12. The word nonne introduces a question expecting a yes answer, while num introduces a question expecting a no answer.